Now, dear friends and students, in this way, our discussion connected to two devices is now over. One of the device वेंचुरी मीटर, अदर वन orifice मीटर, और दोनों डिवाइसेस जो हमने पढ़ी हैं डिस्चार्ज मेजरमेंट कनेक्टेड. बहुत सारी रीजनिंग पे भी डिस्कशन हुआ है एंड दैट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू व्हेन एवर यू आर गोइंग टू अटेम्प्ट द प्रॉब्लम्स. अगर आपने मुझे ढंग से सुना है तो as well as we have numerical discussions also. This time we are going to enter in the next discussion, and that is a beautiful discussion and device, very special device, and the name of that device is pitot tube. My dear, note down the heading please. Pitot tube, please. Pitot tube. Statement point first of all. लिखिए, it is a device basically used for the measurement of local velocity. I repeat, it is a device basically used for the measurement of local velocity. Okay, what do you do with this? It is a 90-degree bend tube. Having a small opening. बच्चा वो समय आ गया है जिसका डिस्कशन मैं पहली क्लास से ही कर रहा था कि दैट हाउ टू ड्रॉ एक्सपेरिमेंटली वेलोसिटी वेरिएशन और वेलोसिटी प्रोफाइल. So by this device you can measure the what local velocity, and in this way you can form the what velocity variation or velocity profile. So take a look of first discussion here, और device आपको feel करा रहा हूँ. So my dear, this is I am going to take a pipeline here. This and this. Device insert कर रहा हूँ मैं. Center level पे. This is my interest to insert here. You can insert anywhere. So like this. Like this. My dear, it's a 90-degree bend tube. 90-degree bend, that means this I have taken a 90-degree bend tube. अभी आपने होल्ड किया है और इसको इंसर्ट आ दिया है. So it is like this. At this level, you can also put it here. You can also put it here. So अब इस लेवल पे इंसर्ट करा रहे हैं, you can get the velocity at that level. आप लोकल वेलोसिटीज देखेंगे. Next. अच्छा. So this is I have taken a point, and this point is what we can say point 2. And very close to this, I am going to take a point, and this point is point 1. What will happen होगा? Actually, if you are going to take 2 points very close, so datum head is what same for both the points. If you are looking for the datum head, so this is I am going to take a arbitrary datum here. So this is arbitrary datum. And my dear datum head is this Z. For 1 and for 2, it is same. Next, if I am going to say here, keep pressure head, datum head for both the points same. Pressure head here and the pressure head here also same. Very, very close points. थोड़े ना है कि points बहुत दूर हैं. So that link loss है. And the pressure head is going to be changed. These points are very close. Very, very close. And if you are interested to see the pressure head here, so my dear, I am going to put a what piezometer. So for this, I am going to put a piezometer. देखिए, piezometer रख दिया. Whatever be the pressure here, flow is this, flow direction is this. Whatever be the pressure here, if you are going to break the wall, यहाँ पर pressure तो लग ही रहा है, और अगर आपने wall को break किया and you are going to put a what piezometer, then ultimately it is going to show a level here. Or you are interested to say about the pressure head here. So my dear, what will happen here? For this, if you are getting, so this is P1 by rho G. Is this? And I already told you if the points are very, very close, pressure head same होगा. That means whatever the pressure head here, the pressure head here is what? अच्छा, point 1 और point 2 में क्या डिफरेंस है, जरा ध्यान दीजिएगा. Point 1 we have taken before striking. And point 2 just at striking. Just at striking, that means point 2 is a what stagnation point. The velocity here will becomes equals to what 0. बहुत अच्छा डिस्कशन हमारा हो चुका है in the kinematics. In the kinematics, we have a very, very good discussion related to stagnation point. So point 2 is a what you can say point 2 stagnation point. And at the stagnation point, if you are looking here, so this is the what V2 is equals to what 0. But a whole story is this. हो क्या रहा है? That the flow is coming like this way. That the flow is coming like this way. And you have inserted the what pitot tube. This is the pitot tube. ये pitot tube है. अगर आप यहाँ पर देखेंगे, here we have a what kinetic head of the flow also. This is the what you can see kinetic head at this level V1 square by 2G here. But जैसे ही यहाँ पर आके टकराएगा flow, the velocity here will becomes equals to what 0. So whatever be the kinetic head here, that is actually going to be converted into what pressure head. So my dear, यहाँ पर आपको ये level नहीं दिखेगा, आपको कुछ और भी दिखेगा, and the level here is this. And what we have a difference, that difference is going to show you the value of, V1 square by 2G. अच्छा, experimentally आपको दिखा दिया kinetic head होता क्या है. We have a discussion related to datum head, we have a discussion related to pressure head, now we have a discussion related to what kinetic head. And whatever you are looking, kinetic head at this level. तो आपको लगता नहीं है कि अगर आपको ये डिफरेंस पता लग गया तो इन दिस वे यू कैन से अबाउट द व्हाट वेलोसिटी एट दिस लेवल. और बच्चा मेरा स्मार्ट, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू चेंज द लेवल ऑफ दिस पिtot ट्यूब हियर और हियर, तो इन द सेम वे आप हर लेवल पे वेलोसिटी निकाल लेंगे. और अगर आप हर लेवल पे वेलोसिटी निकाल ले गए तो अल्टीमेटली इफ यू आर if you are going to calculate the velocity here, 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 तो आपको नहीं लगता है if you are going to put the pitot tube here, that means you are in the position that you can measure the velocity and you can easily draw the what? Velocity profile experimentally. So this is a device, my dear, this is a device. ये तो कुछ वैसी बात हो गई, ये तो कुछ वैसी बात हो गई कि जैसे ये फ्लो आ रहा था और ये आपने फ्लो को स्टॉप किया और जैसे ये स्टॉप किया इसने अपना इफेक्ट इसमें दिखा दिया. So when the flow is coming like this way and the flow is going to what? Stop here. Stagnation is this. And here we have a hole. Hole रखना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो रीड कहां से होगा? So जैसे स्टॉप हुआ, the kinetic head will be converted into what? Pressure head. Externalizes this. My dear, this is your time. Do it fast. I'm here. Done. The next discussion. अब हम और इन्वॉल्व हो रहे हैं. मैंने लेकिन आपको दिखा दिया है कि एक्चुअल में काइनेटिक हेड क्या है और पिटॉट ट्यूब से आप कैसे कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं लोकल वेलोसिटी. लोकल वेलोसिटी मेजरमेंट डिवाइस इज दिस. देखिए, now the point of discussion here, now this thing I have taken like this. अब मैं एक्सप्रेशन डेवलप करने जा रहा हूं and this is I am going to insert the pitot tube here. This and this. So bacha, this is the point here. This and this. Now the flow is coming like this way. ये flow आ रहा है. Now what will happen here? This is already a part of discussion. ये आपसे भी डिस्कस हो ही चुका है. अगर आप यहां पर देखोगे, so this is I have taken a point 1. This is I have taken a point 1 and this is point 2. तो बच्चा अगर आप यहां पर देखोगे, so the level here is this and here it is something like this. And this is I have taken that this is what rho m, manometric fluid. Whatever be the density of the fluid here, here and here, that is what same rho. Now the next here, that this is the what you can say x and this x is a part of what reading. Now my point of discussion here. अब अगर आप यहां पर देख रहे हैं तो यहां पर ये लेवल नीचे होगा और ये लेवल ऊपर जाएगा. द रीजन बिहाइंड दिस थिंग ऑलरेडी आई हैव डिस्कस विद यू कि यहां पर ये जो रीड करेगा ये काइनेटिक हेड विल आल्सो बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू व्हाट? प्रेशर हेड. So that's why it is down here comparatively. This is last two डिवाइसेस जो मैंने देखी थी, बेंचरीमीटर एज वेल एज ऑरिसमीटर, आप दोनों में जा देख लीजिए, ये लेवल नीचे था और ये लेवल ऊपर. This is the time when I am going to apply the energy equation between 1 and 2. So apply energy equation between 1 and 2. When I want to apply the energy equation between 1 and 2, so this is what you can say. P1 by rho g, P1 square by 2g, Z1 is equals to what? P2 by rho g plus V2 square by 2g plus Z2. बच्चा आपने क्या किया है that at this point and at this point you have taken the same energy. That means you are going to say that this is the what theoretical. Practically energy same नहीं होगी because of some loss will be there due to what collision. भाई ये यहाँ से स्ट्राइक करेगा, so because of that some loss will be there. So ये जो आपने लिखा है that is actually theoretical. So I am going to say here that this is the what theoretical approach. My point of discussion as far as our earlier discussion, that is what this velocity is equals to what? 0. Stagnation point V2. तो बच्चा हम कैलकुलेट क्या कर रहे हैं? We are going to calculate the velocity at 1. So this is V1 square by 2g. This is P2 by rho g plus Z2 minus here. This is the what you can say P1 by rho g plus Z1. And my dear, for your kind information, last time whatever the device you have seen earlier, P1 by rho g plus Z1 minus P2 by rho g plus Z2 tha. So here in this P2 minus P1, that's why I'm saying you that here level is this and here the level is what. Now my point of discussion here, okay, you are looking this is the what you can say H, and this H is differential head of pitot. Differential head मैंने पहले भी वेंचुरी में टर्म यूज किया when we are dealing with the numericals, आपको बता दिया था that this piezometric reference is what? Differential head. So this is differential head of pitot tube. Now the next point of discussion here, my dear. So this is the what you can say B1 is equal to root of 2gh. ये h हो गया ना, तो 2g multiply. But my dear, you tell me that this velocity is what? Actual or theoretical? Theoretical. So this velocity is actually theoretical. If somebody is interested in the what actual velocity, so for actual velocity, I am going to say here that this is the what V1 actual. This is CV multiplied by root of 2gh. And the CV is the what coefficient of velocity. Remember, the CV is coefficient of velocity. और ये डिवाइस बहुत अच्छी होती है whenever we are going to construct. Beautifully constructed. Actually आपको ये डिवाइस अच्छी बनानी पड़ेगी because you are going to insert the device in a flow. And if you are not going to design it properly, it is going to disturb the flow more and more. तो डिवाइस बहुत अच्छे से बनाई जाती है. The designing is very good. So that's why if you are looking the CV value here, that is nearly equals to 1. So CV here, if you are looking, my dear, that lies in a range of 0.97 to 0.99. मुझे बहुत कुछ आगे लिखना है, but first of all, note down this one, do it fast. Please, it's your time. I'm sad here. Done. My dear, formula wise, I am not going to derive. Whatever we have done in the venturi meter, the same formulas we will use the cases connected to orifice meter as well as the cases connected to what pitot tube. कहने का मतलब क्या है कि that this formula you have already seen कि that this is h is equals to x, h is equals to x rho m upon rho minus 1, h is equals to x 1 minus rho m upon rho. This is the case of piezometer. and this is the case of U tube manometer. अच्छा, ये जब हम यूज कर रहे होते हैं, rho m is greater than what? Rho. The next one, this is the case of inverted U manometer. So this is the case of inverted U tube manometer. And for this, you can say rho m less than rho. Okay. So formula same आप use कर सकते हैं. The next discussion, whatever we have seen, the same thing I am going to write here again. My point of discussion कि हमने यहाँ पर ये देखा था, my dear, कि that this is actually v1 square by 2g. ये है local theoretical, and that's equals to p2 by rho g plus z2 minus this is what v1 by rho g plus z1. For an information here, तो कैसे सकते हैं ना, ये जो है piezometric head है, ये भी piezometric head है. So this is kinetic head. Local point पे बात हो रही थी और theoretical. So this is whatever we have seen, kinetic head, local theoretical is equals to piezometric head and minus piezometric head. लेकिन फील नहीं आ रही है, piezometric head minus piezometric head फील नहीं आ रही है. Actually, this is the piezometric head in which you can say kinetic head is also included. So my dear, this is piezometric head at point 2, and point 2 is a what? Stagnation point. So for your information, this is a stagnation piezometric head. And this is the piezometric head at point 1. Simply you can say piezometric head or static piezometric head. Next, the case connected to what inclined. My next discussion, the case connected to what you can say horizontal. अच्छा horizontal case होगा, ये तो clear है कि this is Z2 and Z1 is what? So that is horizontal case. Z1 is equal to what? Z. So ultimately, it will be converted into P1 square by 2G local theoretical. That is stagnation. And that is, it will be what? You get P2 by rho G minus P1 by rho G. So P2 अगर आप देख रहे हो तो स्टैग्नेशन पॉइंट है, तो स्टैग्नेशन पॉइंट पे आपको लेना पड़ेगा क्या, प्रेशर हेड, और दिस इज सिंपली व्हाट, स्टैटिक प्रेशर हेड, क्योंकि ये तो चीज क्या हो जाएगी, कैंसिल्स आउट. So for your kind information here, that is kinetic head, local, theoretical, pressure head minus pressure head. And this is pressure head at point 2. Point 2 is a what, is stagnation point. So this is stagnation. And this is the water static. I think so terminology now clear, my dear. This is your time to note down the things here. Pause your video first of all. Do it fast. My dear, देखिए टर्मिनोलॉजी क्लियर हो गई, तो जब न्यूमेरिकल्स आएंगे तो वहां पर आपको इसका यूज पता लग जाएगा. Piezometric head minus piezometric head. This is at the stagnation point. That's why stagnation. Piezometric head. This is simply piezometric head. Or you can also say static piezometric head. This is Z1 Z2 cancel. So pressure head difference is there, but this is a stagnation pressure head, and this is a static pressure head. Next. My dear, in the next discussion, we are going to involve with the numerical problem. Take a look of the numerical problem. And be ready with your calculators. What we are doing here, that is a very, very good conventional problem. सारी चीजें आपकी और क्लियर होंगी. देखिए, a stagnation pressure and static pressure recorded by the dot tube. Okay, at the center of the pipe of. So this is a stagnation pressure and static pressure recorded by the pitot tube at the center of pipe of, at the center of pipe of 20 centimeter dia or 200 kilopascal and 100 mm of Hg. Okay, साथ साथ लिखते जाइएगा. The mean velocity in the pipe is, if the mean velocity in the pipe is 50% of maximum velocity find discharge of water through the pipe. Find the discharge of water through the pipe. Assume CV is equals to 0.97. माय डियर, अगर आप प्रॉब्लम को पढ़ेंगे, प्रॉब्लम पढ़ के पता लग जाएगा दैट द केस इज कनेक्टेड टू व्हाट, हॉरिजॉन्टल पाइपलाइन और लाइन. दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव गिवन यू योर टर्मिनोलॉजी. अभी आपने देखा, अब आप देख रहे हैं स्टैग्नेशन प्रेशर एंड स्टैटिक प्रेशर. पीजोमेट्रिक में बात नहीं हो रही. दैट मींस दैट केस इज कनेक्टेड व्हाट, हॉरिजॉन्टल केस. हमें निकालना क्या है यार, इंटरेस्ट टू फाइंड वैल्यू ऑफ डिस्चार्ज. तो डिस्चार्ज कैसे निकालते हैं माय डियर? डिस्चार्ज इज इक्वल टू एरिया मल्टीप्लाइड बाय मीन वेलोसिटी. और इन्होंने क्या दिया है, द मीन वेलोसिटी इन द पाइप. दिस इज योर टाइम हियर. यू कैन पॉज योर वीडियो एंड अटेम्प्ट दिस प्रॉब्लम. आफ्टर दिस, see my solution. Now I am going to start with my solution. My dear, the mean velocity in the pipeline is 50% of the maximum velocity. Maximum velocity कहाँ पर होगी? सेंटर लाइन पे जो वेलोसिटी है वो मैक्सिमम है. तो सेंटर लाइन पे आपको वेलोसिटी निकालनी पड़ेगी ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सेंटर लाइन वेलोसिटी. सेंटर लाइन डिवाइड बाय 2 करेंगे तो मीन वेलोसिटी आ जाएगी. The mean velocity in the pipeline is 50% of the maximum velocity. Maximum velocity is center line velocity. Divide by 2. Mean velocity, area multiplied by discharge. So also game is connected to center line velocity. This is maximum velocity. देखिए क्या दिया है. The stagnation pressure. Okay. Solution part. P stagnation is equal to क्या दिया हुआ है? The center दिया हुआ है. This is they have given 200 kilopascal. So you can find the value of pressure here, stagnation pressure. So this is P stagnation divided by rho g. 200 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 10 to the power 3 multiplied by 9.1. This cancelled. Value is 20 divided by 9.81. This is multiplied by 100, 200. 20.387. 20.387 meter head form. Static pressure they have given. Static pressure is what? 100 mm of Hg. P static 100 mm of Hg. Mm of Hg, first of all, we are going to convert into what? Pascal. Rho into G into H. Density of what? Mercury. So this is P static. Rho 10 to the power 13.6 into 10 to the power 3 into G into what is 0.1 divided by rho G. This is 10 to the power 3 multiplied G. This cancelled. So बचे पर क्या हो जाएगा? 1.36. So this is 1.36 meter. इसका स्क्वायर मैं डिस्टेंस निकालूंगा तो दैट इज गोइंग टू गिव यू वैल्यू ऑफ मैग्नेटिक हेड. लेकिन वो क्या होगा? लोकल थ्योरेटिकल. So this is P center line square root 2G local theoretical, and this is equals to what? 20.38 minus 1.36387. So this value is equal to P center line root of theoretical 2 into G और माइनस करेंगे बच्चा कितना हो जाएगा, दिस इज 027, so this is 19.027 और एक्चुअल निकालना है, डायरेक्टली एक्चुअल निकाल लेते हैं। तो एक्चुअल इज व्हाट, सीवी टाइम्स, अभी आपने पढ़ा था मेरे साथ, सो दिस इज बी सेंटर लाइन actual CV times of this is 0.9, CV value is 7, 2 multiplied by 9.81 multiplied by 19.027, ये जो 0.97 दिया ये क्या है, CV है। देखिए साहब क्या है, so value is coming as 18.74, 18.74 मीटर पर सेकेंड। अब क्रॉस चेक कर लो। अच्छा, मीन वेलोसिटी, द मीन वेलोसिटी इन द पाइपलाइन इज 50% ऑफ द मैक्सिमम। सो माय डियर, मीन वेलोसिटी अगर आप यहां पर देखेंगे तो दिस इज यू मीन इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, 50% ऑफ दिस 18.74 डिवाइड बाय 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड। मैं क्या सॉल्व करूं, उसको डायरेक्टली यूज कर लूंगा टू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ डिस्चार्ज, एंड द डिस्चार्ज फॉर्मूला इज व्हाट, Q is equals to area multiplied by mean velocity. So बच्चा Q is equals to pi by 4 d square, this is 0.2 square multiplied by 18.74 by 2. Diameter they have given now 20 centimeter. So this is 18.74. My answer is coming 0.29436. 0.29436.7. So my dear, answer here is, जगह नहीं वहां पर, so I am going to write 0.29476, 294,367, 3637 मीटर क्यूब पर सेकेंड। So this is the final answer. कैसा लगा आपको प्रॉब्लम? इन अ सिंगल प्रॉब्लम, कन्वेंशनल प्रॉब्लम, यू हैव सीन ईच एंड एवरीथिंग। एक्चुअली अगर आप इसका डिफरेंस ले रहे हैं तो ये आपको क्या दे रहा है, एच की वैल्यू दे रहा है। और हमने देखा था वी स्क्वायर बाय 2g इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, वी स्क्वायर बाय 2g इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, एच। इन दिस वे वी हैव दिस वैल्यू, क्लियर। और ये थ्योरेटिकल निकलने के बाद सीवी से मल्टीप्लाई करके लोकल, और ये लोकल वेलोसिटी आ गई। मीन वेलोसिटी से रिलेशन गिवन था, मीन वेलोसिटी से रिलेशन गिवन था कि दैट दिस लोकल डिवाइडेड बाय 2 और मीन मल्टीप्लाइड बाय एरिया इज गोइंग टू बी द वैल्यू व्हाट, डिस्चार्ज ऑफ द पाइपलाइन। प्लीज नोट दिस वन, आई एम साइड। डन। My dear, the next is a very, very good discussion we have. And the discussion is connected to pitot static tube. And please, pitot static tube. Pitot static tube. Statement is the tube recording static pressure and stagnation pressure are combined into one instrument. I repeat, the tube recording static pressure and stagnation pressure are combined into one instrument known as pitot static tube. Known as pitot static tube. आइडिया बहुत ही अलग डिवाइस है, बहुत ध्यान से समझे कि एक्चुअली वर्किंग है। और अगर आपने मुझे ढंग से सुना है, मैं एक बार में फील कर दूंगा, एक्सपेरिमेंटल नहीं है। ऑलरेडी व्हाटएवर वी हैव डन दिस कि ये पीजो सेट करना है, and this we are going to set up device here, like this and this. Here we have this point 1, this point 2. This we have seen. If you are looking here, whatever we have discussion, फिर से नहीं बनाना आपको. Rough discussion is this. That's the you can say pressure head here. Here the pressure head is same, but some more is there because the kinetic head will be converted here into pressure head. So basically we are going to modify this pitot tube. और हम कुछ पिtot ट्यूब में ऐसा काम करने वाले हैं कि जो मेजरमेंट यहाँ से चल रहा है वो हम पिtot ट्यूब पे ही ले लें. दैट मीन्स अब वो पिtot ट्यूब कैपेबल हो जाएगी स्टैटिक प्रेशर मेजरमेंट करने में भी. तो वी आर गोइंग टू मॉडिफाई दिस ट्यूब एंड मॉडिफिकेशन इन सच अ वे दैट इट इज गोइंग टू मेजर द स्टैटिक एज वेल एज स्टैग्नेशन बोथ. देखिए क्या, सो कुछ इस टाइप की बात हो रही है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू से इट इज समथिंग लाइक दिस. It is something like this, my dear. Already this is you can say this tube stagnation measurement तो हो ही रहा था. Now outer cover I am going to provide here. Now the next, like this. And actually if you are looking, so this is the what you can say close here and connection is this. One connection is this, but I am going to open it so that I can easily say कि what is going on here. तो यहाँ पर मैं भी इसको आपको समझाने के लिए ऐसा दे रहा हूँ. Clear? And this is I am going to provide static holes. So बच्चा ये static holes है. Static holes. Why I am going to say static holes? It is not single here hole और भी बहुत सारे holes होते हैं. और ये holes क्या करेंगे? Static pressure को read कर जाएंगे. By the means of these holes, we can read the what is static pressure. कैसे? That is a part of discussion. See, if suppose I am going to say that this is the what arbitrary datum level is this. Static pressure holes. देखिए क्या वर्किंग है, that the flow is coming like this, that this is water flow. The flow is coming like this way, my dear. I'm not taking the byline here. और आपको पैसे क्लियर है. I have take example here. That is, हमने क्या किया, now this tube has been modified like this way. Now this tube has been modified like this way. And this tube has been modified like this way, like this. So pitot static tube में है क्या? This is I am going to take an example of bottle. आइडियल मैं होल ड्रिल कर रहा हूं पेरीफेरी पे. दिस 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 दिस, दीज आर द होल्स. और ऑलरेडी इसके अंदर ट्यूब तो वैसी थी. दिस इज द व्हाट यू कैन से पिटॉट ट्यूब. अंदर वाली जो ट्यूब है, दिस इज द पिटॉट ट्यूब. सो आई एम गोइंग टू से दिस इज द पिटॉट ट्यूब. So it is something like this. So it is like this. तो ये pitot tube चल रही है और ये turning is this. Then after that we have this covering, this covering. After that we have this covering. And my dear, these are the peripheral holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this 5. These are the peripheral holes. That means I am saying this. दो नहीं है, depends on the design, and it's a very simple construction whatever we have seen taken here. Otherwise design पे अगर आप जाएंगे, so design parameters are there कि how many holes we are going to take here, then after that the distance of this part, the dia of this, so that is a design consideration, but we are not going to enter in that because हमारी बात उस पर नहीं हो रही है. हमारी बात ये हो रही है कि pitot static tube की actual में working कैसे है, how it is going to measure the what static pressure. Stagnation, it's clear to you already that when it is coming at this point, the kinetic will be converted into a pressure head, or definitely ice will be there. But how static it is going to measure? See. So what is going on here? This is going to read the stagnation. Here it is moving like this. So the flow is moving like this. तो बच्चा जरा समझिए आप. My point of discussion that the flow is going to move like this. That the flow is moving like this. So this is simply whatever be the pressure here, because of this thing you can say that the fluid is going to what enter in this, and there will be a what you can say level here. आपको नहीं लगता कि that this and this, ये जितने भी होल्स हैं, that is going to give you the value of what you can say static pressure. बाद में जाके ये कनेक्ट हो जाता है एक लेवल पे, बट फॉर द क्लियरिटी आई हैव शोन यू लाइक दिस. सो this is what is going on here, that is same as this, that the flow is moving like this, but the flow is moving like this. Flow is moving like this, whatever be the pressure here, because of that it is going to what enter here, and it is going to what give height. So what is going on here, it is something like this, that you have a hole here and you are going to put you can say meter like this to this. So whatever be the pressure here, because of this thing you can say that the level here is this, whether you are going to make it turn like this. So in this way अगर आप देखोगे तो this is going to say you the value of P by rho g plus Z from the arbitrary datum. Next, this is the what, मतलब ये जो होल्स हैं, ये होल्स बिल्कुल वही ट्रीटमेंट दे जाएंगे पेरिफेरल जो यहाँ पॉइंट 1 पे ट्रीटमेंट हो रहा है, स्टैटिक प्रेशर दे जाएगा. Stagnation, already we have this point, 2 point. Stagnation. Flow color is blue, this blue, this is blue. So actual में तो यहाँ पर भी blue ही होना चाहिए. I am going to use a red color so that difference should be there. Actual में तो blue ही है, but difference दिखाने के लिए. So it is something like this. And here if we are looking, so it is something like this. So my dear, what is the difference here? That is going to, that this is the value of what V square by 2G. और टोटल अगर आप देख रहे हैं, so this is the total head. P by rho G plus Z plus V square by 2G. So in this way, if your device has been modified like this way, so there is no need to put this. अगर आपने अपने डिवाइस को इस तरह से मॉडिफाई कर दिया तो स्टैग्नेशन एज वेल एज स्टैटिक बोथ मेजरमेंट इज देयर. आई थिंक सो पॉइंट इज क्लियर. आई रिपीट, स्टैटिक प्रेशर होल्स हैं, ये यहां से रीड कर जाएगा, जितना भी फ्लूइड का प्रेशर है वो यहां से एंटर ले लेगा, एक हाइट पकड़ लेगा, तो प्रेशर हेड यहां से मेजर हो जाएगा. टोटल देखेंगे तो दिस इज द व्हाट प्रेशर हेड प्लस डेटम हेड. एंड हियर इफ यू आर लुकिंग यहां पर, तो दिस इज पी स्क्वायर बाय 2G का भी टर्म आ जाएगा बिकॉज इसमें स्टैग्नेशन आएगा. My dear, one more statement is there. First of all, note down the statement point, then start to note down this one. Do it fast. Statement point. A pitot static tube built with standard proportion. A pitot static tube built 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 with standard proportion give accurate results. Example is Prandtls. Prandtl boundary layer इन्हीं नाम से जाना जाता है. Prandtls dot tube or CV value in bracket of this is nearly equal to 1. Prandtls dot tube CV value is nearly equal to 1. So my dear, I am going to run this one. Please note down this one, do it fast. I am side here. Completed dear. So we have a very good discussion related to pitot static tube and what a device by which you can measure the static pressure also. Already आप देख ही रहे थे कि ये तो आपने pitot tube ले ही रखी थी कि flow is going to what strike here and whatever be the kinetic head that is going to be converted into what pressure head. तो वो तो अलग से रिफ्लेक्ट हो ही जा रहा था, बट हम ये चाह रहे थे कि दैट वी कैन आल्सो मेजर द व्हाट स्टैटिक प्रेशर. तो उसके लिए आपने डिवाइस को मॉडिफाई कर दिया लाइक दिस वे. These are what you say peripheral holes to sense. These are the holes to sense the what is static pressure. So that's why I've written static pressure holes. Actually these are the holes to sense the static pressure. So यहाँ पर तो फ्लो आके स्टैग्नेट हो रहा है, बट यहाँ पर माय डियर फ्लो इज नॉट गोइंग टू व्हाट स्टैग्नेट. फ्लो यहाँ से चल रहा है. Whatever be the pressure here, because of that pressure the flow is going to be what here, and in this way it is going to what reflect here. So बेटा static pressure जो भी यहाँ पर है वो यहाँ पर reflect हो जा रहा है. And my dear, already we have a discussion. It is something like this, that this is the what pitot tube, this, and these are the what peripheral holes. Whatever you are looking in the diagram that you are looking to, but actually That depends on the design, peripheral holes, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here the flow is going to what strike and stagnation is there. But here the flow is not to what stagnate. यहाँ तो इन होल्स पे तो फ्लो stagnate नहीं हो ना बच्चा. यहाँ तो ये निकला, ये flow निकला. So whatever with the pressure here, because of that pressure, you can say the liquid here is what at a particular height. तो ये हाइट से तो आप पता लग जाएगा कि स्टैटिक प्रेशर कितना है. डेटा में अगर आपने आर्बिट्री ये रखा है, so this is what you can say Z plus by rho g. And for this, if you are looking, so this is also going to into the what kinetic jet. So my dear, we are in the Pitot, we are in the what modified version Pitot strike tube. The next discussion, that is flow through orifice. My dear, I repeat, flow through orifice. मैं orifice meter की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. That we have already a discussion. Heading please, flow through orifice. See, this is flow through. So this is flow through orifice. Here, take a look here. So this is the tank or reservoir, and then we have orifice. But this is the free surface level. Here is this, and here it is H depth level. And the flow here is this. So this is a tank, here we have orifice. Now you tell me what is going on here. आप मुझे बताइए यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है. Point should be clear यार. Vena contacta formation is there. This is vena contacta. So I am going to take 2 points, my dear, here. One of the point I am going to take here. Another point I am going to take here. 2. So this is point 1. At free surface. And the next point I am going to take, this is point 2. Point 2 is at vena contacta. So this is point 2 at vena contacta. My dear, I am going to say the cross-sectional area of the orifice is what? So this is cross-sectional area of orifice is equals to it. आप मुझे क्या बताइए, if this is orifice, here area is going to be what? Reduced ना. तो अगर आप A2 पे एरिया निकालना है तो this is orifice cross sectional area multiplied by what? CC. So I am going to say here, my dear, that this is A2. A2 is equals to CC times of A. Where CC is the what coefficient of contraction. CC is coefficient of contraction. Now my point of discussion here. My objective क्या है? To find a velocity here. or I'm interested to find the velocity here, and I'm going to apply the energy equation between 2 points, between two, the free surface and A. So I'm going to apply the energy equation between 1 and 2. So this is apply energy equation between 1 and 2. So when I am going to apply, so I am going to write here that this is the what you can say P1 by rho g plus V1 square by 2g plus Z1 is equals to what P2 by rho g plus V2 square by 2g plus Z2. Bacha, if I have written like this way, now you tell me, is it actual or theoretical? This is theoretical. That means तो आप ये कह रहे हो ना कि whatever be the energy here and whatever be the energy here, this is what? Same. In actual, if the flow is moving from this orifice, यहाँ से जा रहा होगा, so definitely collisions होंगे in between the particles and loss will be there. But you have not considered that loss. So this is theoretical approach. Theoretical approach. अच्छा जी. So this is with this I have taken Z2, Z2 0. So this is the what Z1, that is what H. So here this is 0 if and this is the H. बच्चा मेरे स्मार्ट बच्चा मुझे ये बताने वाला है what is be the pressure condition here. So at 1 the pressure is what? P atm. So this is pressure here is what? P atm. Now you tell me the pressure condition here 2. ये तो outside. So the pressure here also what? P atm. So this is what you can say atm and this is also the what atm. In this way, I am going to write here that this is the P V1 square by 2g plus H is equals to what V2 square by 2g. अब मेरा इंटरेस्ट है V1 पता चल जाए तो V1 की मैं वैल्यू रख दूंगा and I'll get the value what? V2. For this I am going to apply the what continuity equation. See, so this is apply continuity. And when I am going to apply the continuity, so this is A1 V1 is equals to what? A2 V2. अब बच्चा, if you are looking A1, so this is A2 upon, you are looking V1 actually. A2 upon A1 multiplied by V2. This A2 is this, A1 is this. A1 is very, very large as compared to what? A2. A1 is this, A2 is this. So I am going to say, my dear, that this is the case in which A1 is very, very large as compared to what A2. So this value will becomes equals to what? 0. So this V1 0. My dear, if it is something like this, that this I am going to put here. तो बच्चा ये क्या हो जाएगा? That this is H is equals to V2 square by 2g. In this way, I am going to write here that this V2 is equals to root of 2g into what? H. अच्छा, आप एक बात बताइए, ये V2 आपने कैलकुलेट करी, whatever you have calculated the V2 here at value conductor. My point of discussion here, you tell me that this is theoretical or actual. But जैसा काम आपने theoretical किया है, so V2 value will be what? theoretical. So this is theoretical. और अगर आपसे कोई कह दे कि टेल मी द एक्चुअल वेलोसिटी, so multiplied by CV. So for your kind information here, that this is V2 is equal to CV times of root of 2G, and this V2 is what actual, and this CV is the what coefficient of velocity, and this thing I am going to make it in the what block. So my dear, this is your time. First of all, note down this one. We have a further discussion, but fast. I'm here. Done. तो हमने चीज तो कैलकुलेट करना आइडिया, दैट इज द वेलोसिटी हियर. I am going to say about the discharge value here. So take a look of the discharge. Now, so my point is related to what discharge. Q. अच्छा आप इसको कह सकते हो Q is equals to what? A2 multiplied by V2. So this is Q is equals to A2 multiplied by V2. अच्छा A2 is what? CC times of A. CC times of A. I think I have written here cross-sectional area of orifice A. अगर लिखा नहीं था तो आप लिख लीजिएगा that this A is the what cross-sectional area of orifice. I think I have written here. Now the next here, this is V2. V2 is what? CV times of root of 2GH. अच्छा अगर आप यहाँ से देखोगे, so this will becomes what you can say CC multiplied by CV multiplied by A multiplied by root of 2GH. And if you are looking this, so basically this is the what you can say CD. So my point of discussion here is that this is Q is equals to what? CD multiplied by A multiplied by root of 2GH. And this thing I am going to make it in the what block. तो आज के बाद इस चीज को ध्यान रखिएगा that the cases connected to orifice, CC multiplied by CV is equals to what? CD. Now this is your time. Pause your video. My dear, note down this one. Do it fast, please. Done. In this way, my dear, now we are looking one of the problem here. See. So note down the problem. It's an objective problem. पहले आपको attempt लेना है. Problem number 22 is this. Two small orifice. Two small orifice A and B of diameters 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter respectively are placed on the sides, are placed on the sides of tank depth of H1 and H2 below the open liquid surface. If the discharge through A and B are equal, then the ratio of H1 and H2, then the ratio of H1 and H2, assuming equal CD values, assuming equal CD values will be much answer. Pause your video, note down this one and attempt this first. Solution. Two small orifices A and B of diameter 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter. दो small orifices हैं. डाया दोनों के लिए दे दिया 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Okay. Thank you. This. One of the orifices is this, another orifice is this. And this is a free surface level here. Place at sides of a tank depths H1 and H2 below the open liquid surface. If the discharge to A and B are equal, दोनों discharge same है. That means whatever they have given, that is what QA is equals to what QB. अब बच्चा discharge formula is what? C multiplied by A multiplied by root of 2H. For A H1, for B H2. So this is CDA multiplied by A root of 2GH1. This is CDB AB multiplied by root of 2GH2. And for your confirmation, they have given assuming equal CD values. C values same. और अगर CD values same है, so this is the word CD same. Or C value same है, so then this is going to be cancelled, this and this is going to be what? Cancelled. अब अगर यहाँ पर देखोगे, so this is the what? Pi by 4 and this is 1 square multiplied by root of H1. Pi by 4, this is 2 square and multiplied by root of H2. This cancelled. So if you are looking my dear here, so this will become what? H1 upon H2. 4 upon 1, that means squaring is 16 upon 1. That means this you can say that this is H1. This is H2. This is orifice A and this is orifice B. कितने बच्चों को से आंसर आया था? So this is the final answer, my dear. Please note down this one. Do it fast. Pause your video. Done. Now the next thing here. My dear, my next discussion that is connected to what? Experimental determination of CV. So heading please, experimental determination of CV. Experimental determination of CV. C माने coefficient of velocity. अब अच्छा, this is what I am going to discuss here, that you have already done in your graduate level experiments. लैब में आप एक्सपेरिमेंट करते थे टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ CV. अब वो किया है या नहीं किया है, माई डिस्कशन इन द सेम वे वॉट एवर इज गोइंग ऑन हियर. सी, दिस इज आई हैव टेकन a reservoir, and with this is the free surface level here is this, or if this is this, and here we have a x scale, x scale, and here we have a y scale. Y scale. लैब में सेटअप का पार्ट होता था कि दैट दिस इज द रिजर्वायर, हियर वी हैव अ एक्स स्केल, हियर वी हैव अ वाई स्केल. अब अच्छा, ये फ्लो जेट इज कमिंग लाइक दिस वे, ये आ रहा फ्लो जेट. So this is the jet. My dear, for your information, आप यहाँ पर कोई पॉइंट लें, this is the point. So for this point, there is what you can say y value here, and this is the what is value here. So for this point, this is the y value here, and this is the what you can say x value here. And on the basis of this, you can say about the CV. कि x में कितना चला, y में कितना, उसके बेसिस पे CV आप बता सकते हो. कैसे that expression we are going to develop here. This I have considered that the flow is moving like this, flow jet, and here we have a velocity. That is what v. So my dear, it is moving like this. और अगर देखें तो only this direction velocity is here. In this direction, the component of velocity is equal to what? 0. Are you getting what or not? Next, I am going to say here, my dear, that this is the level. This is the level. And this is, I am going to say h. It's a part of laboratory setup that we are going to maintain h equals to what? Constant. कर सकते हैं जितना यहाँ से फ्लो रिलीज हो रहा है, फ्लो orifice, the same we are going to what? Provide as an input. If we are going to provide the same input, so this level will maintain what? Constant. It's a part of laboratory setup. जितना यहाँ से रिलीज हो रहा है उतना एंटर करवाइए. This h means what? Constant. Now, point of discussion, what will happen in time t. So in time t, distance traveled in time t. अगर यहां से है फ्लो तो टाइम टी में कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करेगा इन द एक्स डायरेक्शन एज वेल एज इन द वाई डायरेक्शन. The first that is in x direction, my dear. Bacha, x direction distance, that means here I am talking x. X is equals to velocity multiplied by time. Y distance in y direction. In y direction. तो हमने तो बेसिक इक्वेशन लगा दी ना कि दैट वो जब पढ़ते थे s is equals to ut plus half gt square. So y is equals to ut plus half gt square. So this y is equals to ut 0t plus half gt square. 0 why? Because in this direction the velocity is equals to what? 0. In this direction the velocity is equals to 0. So here if you are looking here, so this y is equals to half gt square. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. So by equation number 1 2. So this is by equation number 1 and 2. और जब बात कर by equation number 1 2, so this is y equals to half gt square. T value is what? X by v. Equation number 1. X by v square. अब ये क्या हो जाएगा? v square is equals to x square g upon 2y. Now you tell me that this is the experiment is going on. So this v velocity is what? Is it theoretical or actual? My dear, this is the actual velocity. जब आप experimental बात करेंगे तो बातें experimental हैं तो actual हैं. So I am going to say here that this v velocity is what? Actual velocity. So in this way, whatever we have, this is the what v. This is x root of g upon 2y. CV मुझे डालना था CV equals to what? Actual upon theoretical. So this is CV v upon v theoretical because v is the actual velocity. So my dear, I have a space here. So this is x root of g upon 2y. Theoretical velocity is what? Root of 2gh. Already हम पढ़ के आए हुए हैं. Now in this way, if you are looking, what will happen here? So this g and g is going to be what? Cancelled. So this will become CV is equals to x by 2 root of y into h. And this is I am going to make it in block. My dear, point should be noted. कि आप भी point लें, whether you are going to take this point, whether you are going to take this point, whether you are going to take this point. On the basis of any point, if you are looking, you have a value of what you can say y, and you have a value of what you can say x. You have a value of what you can say x. दिख रहा है ना बेटा? You have a value of x for this point, and you have a value of what y. In this way, you have a x, y values. You can put h, you already know. In this way, you can find out the value of what? CV. This is your time to note down the things here. Pause your video. Do it fast. Done, my dear? My dear, one of the conventional problem we are looking here, that is also going to give you confidence. here. अच्छा प्रॉब्लम ले रहा हूँ. That means कई प्रॉब्लम को मर्ज करके कवर कर जाएगा. So this is time required to empty hemispherical vessel of radius r. मैंने पहले बोला है कि if you are going to do this problem, if you are going to solve with this problem, आपकी कई problems lower level के वैसे ही हो जाएंगे. देखिए hemispherical vessel. So it's like this. Initially ये भरा हुआ है. And here we have orifice. This is the orifice. अच्छा, some information is given. Cross sectional area of orifice is equal to a coefficient of discharge. That is what we need. Okay, I repeat, problem ये है कि that is filled here. Hemispherical vessel is filled. कितना टाइम लगेगा if we have a orifice here? कि यहाँ से इसको खाली होने में. Now my point of discussion. Initially तो ये time t is equals to 0 पे तो ये है. Now at particular time instant, if I am going to say t, so at t, if suppose I am going to say level here is this, and this is, I have taken, my dear, this is something like this. So what happens here, that this is your h at t. After dt time, that means t plus dt. So this level here is this. At t plus dt. यही वॉल्यूम जो है, that volume is what released here. So take this volume is equals to what this, and this is the what, dh, जो ये नीचे आया. So this is the what, dh. This is dh. Okay. So my dear, this is the volume here. चलें आगे. And if you are interested to find out this volume here, so for this I am going to say here, my dear, that this is h. So what will be this? This is your r minus h. This total is r na, radius. This is h, this is r minus h, and this is I have taken a small r. So this is I have taken a small r. So what will be this? This is also what, capital R. Why I am doing this? That is a part of discussion here. देखिए क्या, small r is this. Whatever the volume released here, the same is going to release here. So here is what, discharge multiplied by dt. So this thing I am going to write here, my dear, that this is your discharge. Discharge is what you can say, CD multiplied by A multiplied by root of 2gh, and this multiplied by what, dt. That is same as whatever be the area, this area multiplied by what, dh. I repeat, अगर आप यहाँ पर देखोगे तो यहाँ पर मैंने क्या लिख दिया, q multiplied by dt, that means volumetric flow, and this volumetric flow is same as area multiplied by dh. Whatever here, that is actually going to what, release. But with respect to time, this h value is going to be what, decrease. So that's why negative sign here. Time जैसे से बीत रहा है, h is going to be what, decrease. That's why negative. Now the game over. Area, this area I am going to write it, this is pi small r square multiplied by what, dh. CD multiplied by A, orifice, multiplied by 2g, root of 2g h into what, dt. This r I am interested to put. देखिए कैसे रख रहा हूँ. So for this r you can say Pythagoras. Small r, capital R, this is r minus h. R square is equals to r square minus r minus h whole square. So this r square is equals to r square minus r square plus h square minus 2r into what, h. But this cancellized, r square is equals to what, 2rh minus h square. This thing I am going to use here. So for your kind of information here, this thing will becomes what, minus pi r square, this is 2rh h square. अच्छा जी, and this divide by this, CD multiplied by A multiplied by root of 2g multiplied by dh upon root of h is equals to what, dt. I'm getting point or not? At t is equals to 0, h is equals to what, r. भाई h is equals to r है ना, और at time t is equals to capital T, at t is equals to capital time taken to empty the vessel, this h will become equal to what, 0. Limits के लिए. Now this is the time to integrate the thing here. Integrate. So बच्चे integrate कर रहे हैं. So this is minus I upon CD multiplied by A multiplied by root of g. This is 2rh upon root of h minus h square upon root of h. This is dh is equals to dt. Limits. Limit is what you can say 0. Time t is equals to 0. So this is the what, r. Time t equals to t, and this will becomes equal to what, 0, h. क्लियर? अच्छा पहले ही मैंने बता दिया था. नेक्स्ट माइनस अंदर लिमिट चेंज कर दे. So in this way, whatever we have, I don't have a space right now here. So this is t is equals to what you can say pi upon cd multiplied by root of 2g. Limit going to change. This is 0 to r. 2 r. This is h to the power r h है ना. So this will becomes what, root h minus this will becomes what, h square. So this will becomes 3 by 2. This is multiplied by dh. Now it is your time to pause your video and note down this one. Then we have a further discussion. Do it fast. Done. देखिए क्या. So this will becomes t is equals to what you can say pi upon cd multiplied by a multiplied by root of 2g. Okay बच्चा. This is 2r h to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 h to the power 3 by 2 divide by 3 by 2 minus this is h to the power 5 by 2 divide by 5 by 2. This is 0 to r. Okay. So this thing becomes pi upon cd multiplied by a multiplied by root of 2g. पर ये क्या हो जाएगा, this becomes 4 और ये r हो जाएगा और ये भी r हो जाएगा ना. So r, this will becomes r to the power 5 by 2 upon 3 minus this is your 2 and this is r to the power 5 by 2 upon 5. Ultimately, if you're looking here, so this becomes pi cd multiplied by a multiplied by root of 2g. ये तो हो जाएगा बच्चा 15 और ये कितना हो जाएगा 20. 3 times 20 minus 6. This will becomes 14 r to the power 5 by 2. Now the next thing here, if you are looking, so this is the what t is equals to what 14 upon 15 pi r to the power 5 by 2 upon cd multiplied by a multiplied by root of 2g. So this is the final answer. So my dear, if you have done this ना, then so many cases I told you. ये तो मैंने हेमिस्फेरिकल लिया ना. If suppose they are going to give you a case of what you can say rectangular, in that आपकी working तो और small हो जाती, because in that there is no you can say small r. अगर rectangular का case होता, so that question is a you can say simplest form. और एक और if is दे. I told you whenever I am going to take a problem, that problem is going to cover so many problems. My interest is this. ये स्मॉल आर छोटा बना है, थोड़ा इसको बड़ा बना दे रहा हूं. Now this is your time, my dear. Pause your video and note down this one. Do it fast. I'm side here. Done. Next. In this way, our this topic is over.